Good morning, class. How are you all? This is your new SST book. The name of book is Interactive Social Studies for Class 4s. Today we'll start with the chapter number 1, and the name of chapter is India, our country, India. In this chapter, we will read about the names of the neighboring countries of India and second, the physical features of India. Let us start with the chapter. Our country, India, is the seventh largest country in the world. Its length from the Jammu and Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari or Kanyakumari in the south is about 3200 km. Its breadth from the Gujarat in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east is around 2900 km. Its length from Jammu Kashmir to its Kanyakumari here is 3200 km, and its breadth from the Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh is 2900 km. The Himalayan mountain in the north of India are shaped like crown. He's saying जो हमारे पास हिमालयस है नॉर्थ में, इनकी कैसी शेप है? क्राउन के जैसे. The width of India decreases as we move towards the south. He's saying इंडिया की जो ब्रेथ है वो डिक्रीज होती है जैसे हम नॉर्थ से साउथ की तरफ मूव करते हैं. The topic of Kansas passes through the middle of India. Here I want to show you. This is the map of India, and this is the tropic of Cancer, which passes through the middle of India. I mean, it divides the India into two equal parts. The southern part of India is a peninsula and it's shaped like a cone. Peninsula word means a land that is surrounded by water from three sides and by land one side. Here I want to show you. See, this is India, and India is surrounded by three water bodies: Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, and Arabian Sea. Three sides India is surrounded with the water bodies, and one side it's land. It is surrounded by the Bay of Bengal along the east coast, the Arabian Sea along the west coast, and the Indian Ocean in the south. Here, look again. It is surrounded by the Bay of Bengal along the east coast and the Arabian Sea along the west coast and the Indian Ocean in the south. The southernmost tip of mainland of India is Kanyakumari, and the southernmost tip of the country is the Indira Point in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Now he's talking about the southernmost tip of the mainland of India, mean that is connected with the land. So here is your Kanyakumari, and this is the southernmost mainland of India, and so then the southernmost tip of the land is here. It's line Andaman Nicobar, and its name is Indira Point. This is not the mainland of India. This is the only point of India, and it's lying in the Andaman Nicobar Island. Now we'll read about the neighboring countries of India. India is located in the southern Asia. You have read in class 3rd also. India is located in the Asia continent, south of Asia. The neighbors of India include Afghanistan and Pakistan in northwest, China, Bhutan, Nepal in the north, Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east, Sri Lanka and Maldives in the south. Here this is the India. Pakistan and Afghanistan is the northwest of India, and this is your Nepal, China and Bhutan. These are in the north, Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. Here is Sri Lanka and Maldives. These are in the south. Today up to here only. Tomorrow we will continue with the next. Okay. Thank you, class.